Yes, modern boilers are much more efficient these days, but when something does go wrong, you're going to need a professional and reliable team to help you get it up and running once again. And that's where Phoenix Plumbing Supplies comes in. In the event that a specific part of your boiler requires servicing, we can supply all the parts and accessories you'll need to get things up and running again. Got a question about your boiler? Just ask our team of friendly, knowledgeable and experienced boiler technicians. Call in today!